Do you know how metal pipes are made? The company behind manufacturing is Zekelman Industries, USA. The area of the factory is 500,000 square feet. The factory is capable of producing 1,000 tons of pipes per shift. The manufacturing starts with uncoiling of steel roll. First, the tensile strength of the steel is tested. Then the two ends of coil are welded, known as butt weld. The unique number is engraved on the pipe to trace the source of material, manufacturing date, etc. Then the 5 forming rollers shape the welded sheets into curve. The rollers can be changed according to diameter of sheet. Then the pressing is changed to convex to concave. The pipes are welded through electric resistance welding. Welding is done on 2700 degrees Fahrenheit with speed on 120 feet per minute. The excess material is cut from scarf cutter. Then the ultrasonic weld test is done. This is the unique way to cut the pipe by moving. Before dispatch, the pipe are tested with hydraulic pressing and weld integrity. Every pipe is barcoded and give the MTR. The company is able to produce pipe up to length of 125 feet. The ready pipe are sending through rail or truck.